Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making some fried Oreos, baby. So, please leave a like and please leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Leave a like, leave a comment.
Really?
Leave a comment down below.
All right.
Pancake
Pancake mix. All right, yes.
Put it in there?
So that's what, a half a cup?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
1/2 is half a cup.
Yes.
1/4 is a fourth or a quarter. 1/3 is a third. And put the water. Okay, don't touch it. Okay. Water come out.
Not all of it. That's enough. Okay, so now mix it together.
Let's mix it together. It's gonna be so. Need some more. This. I don't think that's enough.
You might need a little bit more water.
A little bit more. Then I'm gonna eat the Fried Oreo. Alright, get this thing off. Are we gonna eat these after? I think we need some more pancake.
A little bit more water.
A little bit more?
Okay, that's enough. Go ahead, mix it up. You gotta hold it.
I'll be right back on this. I'll be right back. What is?
So you want it to be thick. Go get the rest of the pancake mixes on the thing.
With that white thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my jellyfish. My jellyfish.
Alright.
Okay, I have it.
Okay. So take the scoop again. That one, yes. And fill it up. Okay, and that's too much, Take some of it out. Pour some back in, yes. Pour some back in. Alright, go ahead, put it in there.
Put this in here?
Yep. Sit down so they can see.
Sorry guys. That's really like doing that. No, now I can jellyfish. Let's mix the stuff. Oh man, let me hold you. Y'all will actually look like look and see. And then mix them good. Yeah, it looks like pancakes.
That's what it is.
You're making pancakes? I like pancakes. I just want to eat all the pancakes. Don't eat all the pancakes. They're going to be full and then you got to go poo-poo.
Really? So it
I'm going to be
it should be thick. Let me see.
Is it thick?
Sort of.
Sort of? A little bit. No, that's enough.
Okay.
Glad I asked. Can I do it?
Okay.
Wait, no, we're done. We're done. We're done. Now we're going to take this over to the stove. Okay. It's stop mixing. Okay.
Let's see, you get the cups. You get the cookies.
Because me?
Yep. Take it over to the stove.
Cookies.
There we go.
Yes. Yes. Now I can do it.
Okay, so
We'll dip this oil.
watch out. Let me pour the oil in. Back up.
Only mom and dad's supposed to do it. Stop. That's enough oil. That's enough. I said stop and he kept doing stop again instead of doing it. You got. I saw another one of these that
It's a salt and pepper shaker, and it's from the Bahamas.
I see that.
Be careful.
Can I see it? I saw one of these at a store before.
Really?
Can I see it? But there was a different one than those. It was like 2 Santa Claus.
Okay. Well, let's start to bubble up when it's ready.
Well, it flipped. It feels like.
Okay. So first thing you're gonna do is take an Oreo.
And then Oreo.
Mm-hmm.
And dip it.
And you're going to dip it in there, but you're going to smooth it all the way around. No, dip the whole thing in there, I mean.
Oh, just drop it?
Yeah, drop it in there.
I dropped it. Oh! Get it, Issy. Ew.
Okay. So move it all the way around.
So I'm just going to drop it.
Mm-hmm. No, you got to take the other one out. The one that's in there, out.
Oh.
Yep.
Ew.
And then you're going to put it inside. Wait, let it get a little bit more warm.
Disgusting.
Yeah.
That one looks like shrimp.
That's okay. Put it in there.
Eat it.
Come on.
I should put another one in there. You got the bit one.
Oh, I did that.
Don't take it. Don't take it.
I did that. I'm sorry.
Why would you?
It was so good. I'm sorry.
Yeah, take another one. Why would you do that?
Put a little sugar.
Yeah, sugar. You have a shovel put in it. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's what it was stupid.
Okay.
Nope.
All right. Go ahead and try it. Tell me what y'all think.
Okay. Oh, like this is a good. I was kind of scared to eat it, but okay.
This is bad.
That's a good.
What do y'all think?
Good. This is so good. I gotta make this. It will taste so delicious.
Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.